Hi everyone, it's me, Lynn Saga everyone. Hello. Ay, ganda ng buhay. Lumipad. Lumipad guys, lumipad ang takip. Don't forget to subscribe. Kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do. For today's video guys, ang ganda ng panahon guys, ganda. So, it's nice outside. Let's cook some chicken in the grill. Ito yung chicken guys. Niluto ko na po siya guys. Half cook na po siya. So, ganito. Tingnan nyo ha. Yan guys, chicken wings. Oo, diba? Chicken wings, chicken wings. I-grill natin yan siya, chicken wings. So, diba, napakaganda ng panahon? Kasi last week, 1 week ang ulan dito guys. Bumaha na lahat-lahat. Yung tubig na yan sa likod, yung lake na yan, malapit na po mapunta yan dito sa gate. O ganyan po kalakas ang ulan dito. O diba? So ngayon is a beautiful day. So let's go cook some chicken in the grill. Yes. Start cooking na tayo guys. Ito na guys. Yes. Look at it. O diba? Ang ganda. Ganda niya. Ayan na guys. Look at that. Burning, burning. Dirty.